Hello, good evening to everybody. I am new to this system of teaching. Yes, thank you. My name is K.V. Ghanashyam. I think I know something about chemistry. Therefore, I would like to teach you a bit of chemistry. Under chemistry, yes, good evening to all of you. Welcome. So, under chemistry, I am very much interested in organic chemistry because organic is the substance of life. Any substance you see around you is an organic compound. Wood, cellulose, cotton, cellulose, hair dye, azo dyes or nitrogen dyes. So, in this way we can list thousands of organic compounds which you come across every day. Today I am going to take up the chapter which will be continuation for another 6 classes. The chapter is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Why should we study this chapter? If I ask you the question, you will say we want marks. Fine, excellent. You are normal, you are a normal student, because we in India study anything for the sake of chemistry, not for the sake of subject. That is why you do not appreciate chemistry. Many of you probably do not like chemistry. Yes, thank you, Ms. Sir. Many of you do not like chemistry because the way in which you have been taught chemistry probably is boring. But just like physics, mathematics, biology, economics, sociology, social science, etc., chemistry is also highly fascinating. Why should we study this chapter, alcohols, phenols and ethers? First thing that comes to, or first thing that should come to every mind is alcohol is the compound which is in great demand after 5:30 p.m. in the world. That too, ethyl alcohol. Radhika says, no, probably you are not studying for the sake of examination. Excellent. If you are interested in chemistry, fine. There are a lot of opportunities for you to do things in chemistry. Okay, fine. Coming back. So, there is no other organic compound which is in such a demand in the world. The alcohol, that too ethyl alcohol or ethanol. See, ethanol is a solvent for so many organic compounds. Ethanol is used for the manufacture of aldehydes, carboxylic acids, etc. It is used in paint industry. It is used as a fuel. See, you might be knowing or may not be knowing that Brazil is the first country to use ethyl alcohol mixed with petrol as an automobile fuel. They add up to 10%, sometimes it may go up to 15%. Okay, you know something about alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Similarly, we have other alcohols. See, for example, CH2OH, CH2OH. This is called ethylene glycol. This is used in cold countries as an antifreeze. So, in the countries like Canada, if you go to the North Russia, if you go to still northern parts, you find you find that the temperature goes below 0 degrees Celsius, where water in the automobile radiators yes, good evening Kushi, automobile radiators, water gets freezed. When it freezes, you know that volume increases, ice volume is greater than water, therefore, the radiator may crack. That is number one. Number two, it will not start. Therefore, they will add ethylene glycol to that. It brings down the freezing point, brings down the freezing point such that even below 0, it will be still a liquid. So, water will remain as liquid even below 0. So, that is another use of one of the alcohols. Third one which we have is the most common alcohol which you come across is glycerol. You might have seen in the advertisement many of the soaps, moisturizer. So, glycerol, CHOH, this is CHOH, glycerol is the substance which is used in the manufacture of Vishwas Gowda, Namaskaraಗಳು, ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು, thank you. Yes, glycerol, it's a moisturizer. You know that in cinema, to get tears, they use glycerol. So, glycerol, you don't know, glycerol is the one compound which is used in chocolate manufacture. There is no chocolate confectionery company without glycerol. It is used in the manufacture of dynamite, used in many pharmaceuticals. Okay. So, this is the importance of alcohols. So, with this, I will come to today's chapter. What are alcohols? How are alcohols classified? Then IUPAC names of them. I would like to tell you one thing. I don't want to hurry through the portions, hurry through the syllabus. You please ask me questions. Asking question, yes, Tamanna Sharma, yes. Ask such, do you know Tamanna or Vishwas Gowda or Smaranika? The substances which are used to get tears, of course, in the eye. What's the particular name used for that? Anybody? A substance which brings tears, of course, in the eye is called by a particular word, name. Can anybody tell me the name? That particular word? Anybody? Okay, it's sure, sir. We will ask questions. Yes. Okay. Do you know the name for this? It's called a lacrimatory substance. Lacrimatory, one which brings tears. Okay. Coming back. So, what are alcohols? First one. So, you consider an alkane or H represented tear gas. Tear gas is a particular compound. Tear gas is a general name, say lacrimatory substance, lacrimatory. The one which brings tears is called lacrimatory. Benzoyl chloride is a lacrimatory substance. Acetyl chloride is a lacrimatory substance. Acetic anhydride is a lacrimatory substance. Benzoyl chloride is a lacrimatory substance. And then phenyl chloride is a lacrimatory substance. Okay, coming back. What are alcohols? Simple. In alkanes, if H is replaced by OH group, it is called an alcohol. So, in an alkane, usually in an alkane, if one hydrogen atom or more number of hydrogen atoms have been replaced by OH group, it is called an alcohol. So, this is an alcohol. Serotonin, yes, they are slightly complicated compounds, histamine and serotonin, but they are not used for this purpose. Tamanna Sharma, okay, anyway you know so many things, yes, but while asking question you please ask me simple questions. So, alkanes, if hydrogen atom is replaced by OH group, it is an alcohol. Or you take water, replace hydrogen atom by an alkyl group or alkyl group. This is maybe an alkyl group or alkyl group, then also it is called an alcohol. So, alcohols can be defined as compounds got by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of alkane by OH group, or by replacing one hydrogen atom of water by an alkyl group or alkyl group. You may ask me the question, usually you do not. Alkyl CH3 group is an alkyl group, C2H5 group is an alkyl group, C6H5CH2 group, C6H5CH2 group is called an alkyl group, alkyl alkyl group. So, how to convert alkyl halide to? Alkyl halide cannot be converted to ammonia, alkyl halide can be converted into amines. Sandesh, your question should be, how is alkyl halide converted into amines? Ammonia is an inorganic compound, alkyl halide is an organic compound. Alcohol to ammonia, alcohol, there is no such conversion of alcohol to ammonia. Ammonia is an inorganic compound, okay, right, because alcohol does not contain nitrogen, ammonia contains nitrogen. Okay, coming back. So, what are alcohols? Alcohols are derivatives of alkanes or derivatives of water. In the case of alkanes, H is replaced by OH. In the case of water, H is replaced by alkyl or alkyl groups. Okay. Next. So, we can say that compounds containing OH group is an alcohol in general, but one condition, it must be connected to carbon with sp3 hybridization, carbon with sp3 hybridization. then it is called an alcohol. Okay. Then coming to, so what are alcohols is over. Alcohols are organic compounds containing OH group, which is connected to carbon atom, sp3 hybridization. Okay, fine, excellent. Then the next one is so what are alcohols? Alcohols are derivatives of alkanes got by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of hydrogen by hydroxyl group or OH group or OH or OH. So, the next is it compulsory that alcohol should contain one OH group? See, alcohols may contain one OH group, alcohols may contain two OH groups, alcohols may contain three OH groups. Above this, usually they form carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. I think you are following. Jitesh, then Shivarajan, are you Radhika? You are following my explanation, is it not? Yes. What is not compulsory? I didn't follow. Tamanna Sharma, not compulsory. What is that not compulsory? You have put not compulsory, sir. Okay, coming back. An alcohol need not always contain one OH group. Yes, okay, thank you. Tamanna Sharma. If an alcohol contains one OH group, it is called a monohydric alcohol. So, if an alcohol contains one OH group, it is called a monohydric alcohol. I will give you some examples. CH3OH, methyl alcohol, is a monohydric alcohol. C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, is a monohydric alcohol. That an alcohol may contain more than, yes, correct, you are right. You are right. Tamanna, I would like to ask you one more question for all of you. See, halo compounds may be of this type: CH3, C, Cl, Cl, Cl. Can an alcohol be like this? You please think over and answer after 5 minutes, does not matter. A halogen, a carbon, can carry 3 chlorine atoms. Can an alcohol, in an alcohol, can a carbon atom carry 3 OH groups? You please think over and then answer. Okay, coming back. So, monohydric alcohols, yes, you are right. Monohydric alcohols are those which contain one OH group. Example, CH3OH, C2H5OH, CH3, CH2, CH2, propyl alcohol, etc. They contain one OH group. Okay. No, yes, you are right, not possible, excellent. Aditya, and then VV. Yes, water molecule comes out. It is unstable, not not stable. Such alcohols not possible. I will come to that explanation. Excellent, very good. Due to steric hindrance, it is not possible. Yes, you are right. So, dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols. So, they contain two OH groups. Two OH groups must be present on two different carbon atoms. Two OH groups must be present on two different carbon atoms. I will give you example. CH2 OH, CH2 OH, it is called ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Due to steric hindrance, it is not possible. Yes, ethylene glycol, it is a dihydric alcohol. CH3, CHOH, CH2OH is called propylene glycol. These are all common names. Propylene glycol. They contain two OH groups, and the two OH groups must be present on yes, must be present on two different carbon atoms. Yes, you are giving the answer for that. Excellent. You have studied well about alcohols. You are all youngsters. We, the old people, study alcohol because, as I said, very, very interesting compound. Okay. What is steric hindrance? Stereo means space, Mr. Jitesh. Stereo means space. Around a small atom, if big groups are there, then the space is not sufficient to accommodate them. Therefore, they are called, this is called steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. Such compounds are unstable. Due to steric hindrance, the compounds are yes, bulky groups. Bulky. The space is not sufficient for them to be accommodated. Okay, that is called steric hindrance, space problem. Yes, coming back to the dihydric alcohols. Two OH groups must be connected to two different carbon atoms. Please answer my question. What's the question? Due to bulky group, hindrance is, yes, correct. Due to bulky group, compared to Cl, compared to fluorine, etc., OH group is bulky. Always the steric hindrance is due to bulky groups only. It is due to bulky groups only. Okay? Yes. Now, this is dihydric alcohols. Then trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohols. They contain three OH groups. Three OH groups. Three OH groups must be present on three different carbon atoms. One carbon can carry only one OH group, more than that unstable. What is the reactivity of ethers with MX compound? Metallic halides, metallic halide. Hydrogen halide, it will react with hydrogen halide, not with metallic halide. Reactivity of ethers. I will come to the reactivity of ethers in the chapter, the end of the chapter, but No, absolutely no reaction between Mx if M is the metal. If it is Hx, certainly there will be reaction, two types of reaction, one in the cold condition and when it is dilute Radhika, the other one is hot condition and concentrated condition, that is with Hx. Mx does not react, no reaction between metal halide and ether. First of all, ether is very stable compound, inert compound, that is why it is used mainly as a solvent for organic compounds, organic reactions. Okay. So, trihydric alcohols, 3 OH groups. Example for that is CH2OH, CHOH and then CH2OH, glycerol, So, this is glycerol, this is trihydric alcohol. So, alcohols containing one group is, one OH group is called monohydric, 2 OH groups on 2 different carbon atoms is dihydric, 3 it is trihydric. Okay, excellent. Then the next is, we shall concentrate only on monohydric alcohols, monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. Again, there are 3 subclasses in monohydric alcohols. One is called primary alcohol, or it is called 1-degree alcohol, then secondary alcohol, 2-degree alcohol, tertiary alcohol, 3-degree alcohol. So, monohydric alcohols have been classified into primary, secondary and tertiary. Now, what do you mean by primary? What do you mean by secondary? What do you mean by tertiary? Okay, I think I am making myself clear. Sham Prasad, Sham Prashant, Radhika, Apeksha, Tamanna, Sham, you are giving lot of opinion, excellent, very good. So, this is the way the teaching should be, it should be a dialogue, it should be actually discussion. If you had been in front of me, I would have talked to you in so many other terms along with chemistry. Okay, fine. Now, coming to monohydric alcohols, what is a primary alcohol? If OH group is connected to primary carbon atom, it is called a primary alcohol. I will make it very simple. I will make it very simple now. If OH group is connected to carbon with at least 2 hydrogen atom, it is primary. Take it from me, very simple. If OH group is connected to carbon having at least 2 hydrogen atoms, it is called a primary alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. So, OH group is connected to carbon with at least 2 hydrogen atoms, it is called a primary alcohol. Therefore, primary alcohol will have the general formula CH2OH, CH2OH. So, any compound if you come across having CH2OH, it is a primary alcohol. Okay, we shall see some examples for this primary alcohols. CH2OH, methanol is a primary alcohol. CH2OH, ethanol is a primary alcohol. CH2OH is a primary alcohol. So, CH2OH, if present, it is called a primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol. Okay. Coming to the secondary alcohols now. Secondary alcohol. So, 2 degree alcohol, this is OH group is connected to secondary carbon atom. This is secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom. So, if OH group yes, good evening Vishwas Gowda. Thank you, thank you. You should ask me questions. See, every teacher is very good teacher unless till you ask me questions. Then only you will be knowing whether I am a good teacher or not. Okay. Anyway, thanks for the compliments. Right, coming back. Secondary, if OH group is connected to secondary carbon atom, it is a secondary alcohol. What do you mean by secondary? I will tell you. If OH group, very simple way of remembering, if OH group is connected to carbon having only one hydrogen atom, it is secondary. Therefore, secondary alcohols will have CH-OH group. CH-OH group is secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol contains CH2OH, secondary alcohol contains CHOH. I will give you some examples. Secondary alcohols, CH3, CHOH, CH3. You see here, CHOH group, it is secondary. So, OH group is connected to secondary carbon atom or OH group is connected to carbon having one hydrogen atom. Very, very simple way of remembering. One more, CH3, CHOH. Okay, I will come to that. CH3, this is secondary. This is secondary alcohol. I will ask you a question, Shreyans. I will ask you a question after this classification. Okay. So, this is secondary alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. I am sorry, I wrote the same compound both times. So, this is CHOH is secondary, CH2OH is primary, CHOH is secondary. Therefore, there were 2 hydrogen atoms, now we have 1 hydrogen atom, even remove that hydrogen atom also, it is tertiary. So, tertiary alcohols are those in which OH group is connected to tertiary carbon atom or OH is connected to carbon atom having no hydrogen atom, This is tertiary alcohol. So, I will write everything again. So, primary alcohol CH2OH, secondary alcohol CHOH, tertiary alcohol COH. I will give you example for this tertiary CH3, CH3OH. Okay. So, tertiary is connected, OH is connected to carbon having no hydrogen atom. If OH is connected to carbon having one hydrogen atom, it is secondary. If OH is connected to carbon with two hydrogen atoms, it is primary. So, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. All these are monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. Okay. Now, before I go to IUPAC names, I will like to ask you, as you have said, I will ask you a question. CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, COH, CH3. Is this an alcohol? Shreyans, yes, basic concepts. Okay. So, if you, I always start with basic concepts because if you know the basic concepts, you can build up, you can answer the questions. So, anybody who can answer this question, CH3, CH2, CH double bond COH, CH3, is this an alcohol? If you say yes, give me the explanation. If you say no, give me the explanation. Okay. Now, the next part is IUPAC names of, I am restricting myself to the time limit that has been given to me. Otherwise, otherwise it will take long time and explanation goes beyond your syllabus, etc. Okay. Alcohols, IUPAC names. See, CH4 is methane, you know this. So, alcohol containing one carbon atom, E is replaced by OL. If you replace E by OL, that is alcohol. So, this is methanol. Methanol. Yes. Which one? The answer for the question, this is tertiary alcohol. Let us see, I will explain at the end of the session. Okay. These are the basic things, as you said earlier, basic. Okay. Now, I will write the IUPAC names. CH3, okay, fine, VV. Methanol. Methanol, simple. CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol. Tests have patience, Shreyans. Yes, okay, ethanol. Thank you, thank you. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Now, what's the name? What's the name of this compound? Yes, we will come to Radhika, we will come to the Lucas test, etc. at the time of the properties. Lucas reagent is anhydrous zinc chloride with HCl, where tertiary gives turbidity, secondary gives turbidity later, etc. We shall see all those at the time of studying the properties of that. Now, I am restricting myself to the IUPAC names of these. See here, Yash Pratap Singh, all of you are answering propanol, It is wrong. That is why I said you should know the basic things. Do not neglect the basic thing. This is from propane onward, 3 carbon atom onwards, isomerism exists. Therefore, you should say this as propan 1 all, propan 1 all, propan 1 all. Propan 1 all. So, it is not just propanol, it is propan 1 all, propan 1 all, because you have CH3, CHOH, CH3, this is propan 2 all. See the difference. Propan 1 all is primary, propan 2 all is secondary. Propan 2 all. Here you need not write 1 all or 2 all, etc. Whereas from propanol onwards, you should write the number. Next, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, you know it, butan 1 all, butan 1 all, 1, 2, 3, 4, butan 1 all. Next, CH3, CH3, CH2OH, 1, 2, 3, this is 2-methyl propan 1 all, 2-methyl propan 1 all, 2-methyl propan 1 all. Then CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, butan 2 all, butan 2 all, because OH group is connected to carbon atom number 2, butan 2 all. Okay, you feel that this is very simple. Now, I will give you please tell me the name of this compound. Name of this compound, anybody? The name of this compound. Anybody who can give the IUPAC name of this compound? Okay, I will write it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is pent 3N 2 all, pent 3N. So, N is double bond, it is present between C3 and C4, and alcohol is present on the second carbon atom, therefore, it is this pent 3N 2 all. Next, CH2OH, CH2OH. The IUPAC name of this is IUPAC name of this is ethane diol, ethane diol. Then one more, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is propane 1, 2, 3 triol, propane 1, 2, 3 triol, 1, 2, 3 triol. Okay. One more question. Can an alcohol be a primary alcohol and also a secondary alcohol? Anybody who can answer the question. Can it be primary as well as secondary alcohol? The question. Okay. Right. It's time up now. Very much restricted. What's the previous session context question? What is the unit of entropy? This was the question asked for you. Its joule per, answer has been given as joule per Kelvin. Winner is Akshay. I didn't see the name of Akshay there. An atom session will be added to his account at the end of the day today. Okay. I have a question for you. This is nothing to do directly with the chemistry, but manufacture of alcohol. What is the percentage of sugar present in Indian cane? The percentage of sugar present in Indian cane is, anybody who can answer this question, quick. Okay. Yes. So today I have given you what are alcohols, importance of alcohol, how are alcohols classified, and then IUPAC names of some of the alcohols. Okay. Next class I will take up preparation of alcohols. Okay. Thank you very much. You will get access to the class that get passport, access to class practice packs. So you will have 10 questions. You should answer those questions. They are quite simple questions. You have to answer that. Usually you go wrong in simple questions. Please be careful. Don't be overconfident. Okay? Fine. Excellent. Thank you very much.